In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate a credit note in Xero. Allocating a credit note properly is important for keeping your customer balances accurate and making sure your reporting is correct. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few things to watch out for along the way. First, log into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top menu and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero keeps all the information related to money coming in from your customers, including invoices and credit notes. If you can't see it right away, try expanding your main navigation or checking under the business menu, depending on how your Xero layout is set up. After you've opened the sales area, the next thing you want to do is click on Invoices. This will take you to a list of all your sales invoices, including any that might be awaiting payment, paid, or partially paid. This page is useful because it gives you a clear view of which invoice you're going to apply the credit note to. Now, from the invoice list, select the invoice that you want to allocate the credit note against. Take a moment here to double check that you're choosing the correct customer and the correct invoice date and amount. Allocating a credit note to the wrong invoice can throw out your customer statements and aged receivables, so it's worth being careful. Click on the invoice to open it. With the invoice open, look for an option related to credit notes. In this case, you'll see a button or menu labeled Credit Note Options. Go ahead and click that. This area is where Xero lets you manage how a credit note is used, whether you're applying it to an invoice, refunding it, or leaving it to be used later. From the Credit Note Options menu, choose Allocate Credit. This is the action that actually applies the value of the credit note to the selected invoice. Once you're on the allocation screen, review the amount being applied and confirm that it matches what you expect. When you're happy with it, complete the allocation. After saving, the credit note will be linked to that invoice, reducing the amount the customer owes and updating your accounts receivable automatically.